Excellencies, heads of states and governments, distinguished friends. At the outset, I would like to extend my sincere gratitude to the government and the Prime Minister of the Republic of Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Nawar Sharif, and to the people of fraternal Pakistan for the warm hospitality and favorable working environment. The summit arrangements at high level apparently demonstrate the continuous attention paid by the leadership of Pakistan to enhancing the promotion of regional cooperation. This is very symbolic that the meeting of heads of ESO member countries is taking place on the eve of the 4th anniversary of the Treaty, which was raised the foundation for the activities of the organization.
یک نکته دیگر نیز قابل ذکر است که سال جاری با شامل شوی کشورهای آسیای مرکزی و آذربایجان و افغانستان به سازمان 25 سال پر میشد. از حساب این کشورها توسعه یافتن جغرافیای سازمان اقتدار و اهمیت ژئواستراتژی آن را همچون حلقه یگانه سه منطقه ترکیبی قطعه آسیای مرکزی، غربی و جنوبی دوچند بالا برد. مسلم است که طی دوره سپری شده ما در مسیر رشد همکاری‌های بسیار جانبه‌مان و دستاوردهای امیدبخش نائل گردیدیم. با شرافت تلاش‌های مشترک زمینه حقوقی همکاری جانبها در سمت‌های افضل‌الداغ تشکل یافته. جهت گسترش تجارت بین کشورهای ما، رفت آمد مردم و حمل و نقل ترانزیتی شرایط مشاهد فراهم آورده شد. در برابر این یک قطار برنامه‌های مهم اینفراستراکچوری تطبیق گردیده، همکاری‌های گومانیتری و فرهنگی کشورهای ما گسترش یافت. رشد و توسعه رابطه‌های گوناگون جنبه با کشورهای اعضای سازمان به حیث یکی از سمت‌های مهم سیاست خارجی تاجیکستان مقرر گردیده است. حصه کشورهای سازمان در گردش سودای بیرونی جمهوری تاجیکستان حالا بیش از 36% را تشکیل می‌دهد. با وجود همه این دستاوردها هنوز هم اقتدارهای بزرگ همکاری‌های متقابل از سودمند کشورهای اعضای سازمان پررأی اصلاح نگردیدند. از این لحاظ جلسه امروزه ما اهمیت خاصه را کسب می‌نماید. ما امکان داریم که در دایره آن مسائل وابسته به تحکیم همکاری‌هایمان را بررسی کرده با در نظر داشت واقعیت حال سمت‌های اساسی فعالیت نیمبرده سازمان را معین نماید. وظیفه عمومی ماست که وسیله و زمینه‌های همکاری ثمره‌بخش جوابگو و موقعیت آرمان‌های مردمانمان را پیدا نموده تطبیق آنها را تأمین گردانید. مساعدت به همگیرایی بیشتر و وسیع، فعال گردانیدن دستگیری همدیگر، توسعه تجارت و سرمایه‌گذاری، همچون عنصرهای کلیدی همکاری منطقه‌ای از جمله سمت‌های میباشند که برای ما باید در مقام هدف‌های استراتژی پذیرفته شوند. در شرایط این وضعیت تشکل نظام مکمل نقلیاتی و ترانزیتی وسیله موثری مساعدت به روند رشد تجارت به شمار می‌رود. در برابر این استفاده ثمرناک ذخیره‌های انرژیتی و ایجاد نظام پیوندگر انرژیتی از جمله سمت‌های مهم همکاری باقی می‌ماند. در این زمینه امروز و در آینده نظر ما ضرور است که بر تطبیق لایحه‌های انفراستراکچوری مشترک با پیوست‌شوی شبکه‌های نقلیاتی و انرژیتیکی کشورهای اعضای سازمان مساعدت می‌کنند دقتی دوچند همزمان باید به راه‌اندازی فعالیت لایحه‌ای سازمان جهت مساعدت به رشد اقتصادی و اجتماعی کشورهای اعضا، پس کردن سطح کمبیزاتی و بالا بردن نیک و احوالی مردم باید توجه خاصه ظاهر کرده شد. در دایره سازمان ما می توانیم با استفاده از امکانات‌های خود راه‌های زمینی را با راه‌های بحری توسط تشکل دالان‌های نقلیاتی پیوست نموده.
Within the organization, we can apply our own potential to connect our roads and sea routes through the establishment of transport corridors and thereby strengthen our economic growth and potential in addressing social challenges. We do hope that the ECO member states will further contribute to the implementation of projects on connectivity and establishment of regional energy grids and establishment of energy markets. In this regard,
لازم به یادآوری است که ماهیمه سال گذشته در شهر دوشنبه با اشتراک سرانی دولت‌ها و حکومت‌های کشورهای اشتراکی ایالات پاکستان، افغانستان، قرقیزستان و تاجیکستان به مرحله اول کارهای ساختمان آغاز گردید. ما امیدواریم که این طرح دارای اهمیت استراتژیک شبکه‌های انرژتیکی کشورهای منطقه را با هم پیوسته طبق هدف هفتمی
with participation of heads of state and government of the project participants Pakistan, Afghanistan, Kyrgyzstan and Tajikistan. We hope that strategic project will enable to connect the energy grids of the countries of two regions and promote the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goal 7 to ensuring access to affordable, reliable, sustainable and modern energy for all. Hydropower plants make the core of the energy sector in Tajikistan, which generates 98% of power in our country with the use of renewable energy sources. Tajikistan is among the top 6 countries of the world in terms of green energy generation, and it is ranked as one of the countries with a huge and abundant hydropower resources. The hydropower potential of the country is estimated at 527 billion kilowatt-hours of environmentally friendly energy per year, of which we currently use only 5%. Today, this is despite the fact that the ECO wider region's energy market demands for energy are continuously growing. With a view to ensuring power generation and consumption, the government of Tajikistan continuously undertakes measures on rehabilitation of existing power plants, construction of new energy facilities, wider use of other renewable energy sources, and introduction of modern energy-saving methods. These measures, alongside with ensuring energy security at the national level, are also of regional importance since they are aimed at meeting the ever-growing demand of other far and close neighbours in energy. There are two more important aspects in the set of water issues which deserve the ECO member states' attention. First, population growth in the region and a daily growing need of water resources due to ensuring food security, which creates new tasks in front of all of us. In this context, wider introduction of integrated water resources management and effective water use should be another direction of our promising cooperation. Second, climate change has been accelerating or aggravating due to the global warming effect. Unfortunately, our countries are hit by the negative impact of this process and consequences of water-related natural disasters. For example, in Tajikistan, natural disasters cause huge economic losses and human casualties every year. Extensive rains and floods, mud flows and landslides high and very heavy snowfall and avalanches cause huge losses and damage to our national economy and create obstacles for further sustainable socio-economic development across the country. Our view is that it is high and right time to develop and materialize a proper partnership program with the Organization on Natural Disaster Risk Reduction and Mutual Emergency Support. Another promising area of our collaboration is tourism, on which I would like to elaborate some of my personal thoughts. Tajikistan has a favourable and quite friendly climate, beautiful nation with unique landscapes and many historic and civilizational sites attracting tourists from all over the world. Given these opportunities and vast potential, the government of Tajikistan has been developing and implementing specific public programs on tourism development. Within these programs, we envisage a number of privileges and benefits in the tourism sector, including for imported equipment and other materials for development of tourism infrastructure. There is no doubt that expansion of cooperation among the ECA member states in this area would serve as another influential factor for sustainable development of our countries and serve as a effective tool for strengthening people-to-people linkages. Ladies and gentlemen, regional cooperation in establishing peace and genuine stability in Afghanistan and the whole region still remains one of the important common and shared objectives. In this context, Tajikistan warmly welcomes the involvement of its closer neighbour Afghanistan into the regional integration process. We therefore support the activities of the ECO Special Fund for Reconstruction of Afghanistan and implementation of the Action Plan on Rehabilitation of Social Infrastructure in this country. Afghanistan is located at the Eurasian crossroad and can serve as a transit hub for expansion of trade between the countries of Europe, Asia and the Middle East. Human resources development in Afghanistan and training of professionals on the required civil specialties is one of the important priorities of the Tajik-Afghan cooperation program. Hundreds of Afghan students are currently studying in Tajikistan. In addition, we have decided to allocate up to 1,000 educational scholarships to Afghan students until 2025. It is known that over the last years, the global world community has been actively developing and adopting a number of globally important documents defining the aspects of sustainable development to 2030. The new United Nations Sustainable Development Agenda will play an important role for ensuring the aspirations and desires of our peoples for a just and decent future. This agenda clearly outlines sustainable development goals and objectives in three important priority areas. First, economic growth, second, social development, and third, environmental protection. In this context, we welcome the development of a new document, ECO Vision 2025, the main objective of which is to ensure adequate and timely achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals in the ECO region. The document identifies the main directions of our mutual cooperation in the near future. We do hope that this roadmap will substantively facilitate the achievement of our objectives in this area and enhance trade and economic linkages, as well as facilitate solidarity and integration among our countries. We are of positive view on this key document and we believe that its effective implementation will further improve the organisation's reputation on the international scene. Ladies and gentlemen, Distinguished friends, last year the United Nations General Assembly adopted its resolution entitled An International Decade for Action for Sustainable Development 2018-2028 on the initiative of Tajikistan and the proactive support of the ECO member states. I would like to avail myself of this opportunity to extend my deepest appreciation and profound gratitude to all ECO member states for supporting this initiative, which was approved unanimously at the corners of the United Nations. I believe that the ECO will proactively participate in the implementation of the new decade and will also significantly contribute to implementation of water-related objectives and targets. The government of Tajikistan is keen to have civilized relationships and wide-spectrum cooperation with all friendly countries as well as regional and international organizations. This is a core principle of our foreign policy, which is based on the acknowledged and imperishable principles of sustainable friendship, equal rights, and mutual trust and respect. Accordingly, we stand ready to expand our partnerships with all ECO member states in the areas of shared concern and interest. To conclude, I would like to wish every bit of luck and success to the 13th ECO Summit, and I hope that the outcomes of the summit will serve as yet another decisive factor for further enhancement of mutually rewarding economic cooperation among our countries. I thank you very much for your attention.